So here we're taking a quick look at the popular DBPower jump starter. This is a 4,000 amp peak 88 point WH portable car jumper starter. So this is good for all cars and even up to 10-liter diesel engines. It's a 12-volt auto battery booster pack with smart clamp cables. And as you can see, it comes with a nice convenient carrying case. It has a high visibility clear LED flashlight and also can be used as warning lights for hazards if you're stuck on the road. Of course, it can be used as a power bank to charge your electronic devices via USB ports, and even run your air compressor to fill up your tires. So whether you have an old car or a new car, this is cheap insurance to have with you on the road.